umujecha gwa president mu district ya Kabale Mr. Nyakahuma yitaba mu nshonga y'abaturage bakuse baratera ibinyasi UNRA hamwe na kansa ya Kabale municipality abwo kwerekera umufurege gura twara mizi mu majugabo aharuguto gwa Kabale katuna okweta kwa RDC omunshongezi nikuje hanyuma y'abaturage b'ecaro ca Igabiro umuri mwanjari wa 1000 division Kabale municipality okweterera nduru abwo miza gagire kubatwara okurwa muri mwanjari business center amwe na hari Kabale university barigamba n'umunyamakuru witu ahambuga za 1000 division cha person w'ecaro ca Igabiro sero Mr. Athanasius Mujasi hamwe na cha person LC2 Mr. Rurechera Andrew bagizinga bakija kubasa kutwara inshonga zabo wa UNRA konga bakaja kugugwa kagwe hanyuma yo kurira meya bya mu center hasimu ari kugambira manager wa UNRA ngo atagire cyo yabakure.
Formerly that place was a graveyard of a cemetery likari girimbo konkari ho drainage tutaka tungira problem konka kugira ngo bayombekire business center mwanzari business center baba kafiri akafureja kenikana nkamizi twagira that problem konka kana RCC again that in a permanent drainage ego mu fureje kukozine na cement buri kushuma buri kutwara mu kirindi kiriya echa kirurumba ni baceta kirurumba amizi gari kutoro kwepa kuba isirogo munanke cyo kumfureje kutandikira aho mwami kasigazi hamwe na ari karama abantu banje bagira problem ya mizi kubaza problem ya mizi kubaniga batahirira nastama na handike baro ya 2013 kwa munana 2021 na joherezo mu UNRA UNRA nanka station manager yija nkabandi Centenary Bank je yo rugurayi bafurukire yanterero ni his personal phone at chairman olinkare yisha turebe turarebe kikizibu cyamizi ko yanterire nisha na mushanga parking road double cabin yanda to address this problem yaterera meya at meya ndi hano na chairman w'Igabiro atari muri aterenduru wa mizi nigenda kutwara abantu bere atumwaniye the phone was on route na urira kajyame yajyarabamo atogo mureke ni kwaba station manager no kushaka yashika ati wamuhurira meya wani inama yataza yacanshasha munongo abo bakipu bifo kwa mizi gari muni gatwara they are his supporters nibo bakizira no kumuhereza karu abo bakipu abamizi gakwesa nigagira ki basi kwihoga twatunga solution kugana nje nibwo twentere mu office yawe ukija tukahikaho twayikiraho twakora site visit twahikaho nibwo wa delegate igire diso ngo ahishe tusitame mu rukiko
bonjiro bajya mu kitongole ca UNRA ti no muntu ucika kitaga umuseru zabo bonjiro batera ibinyasi meya bya mu gisasentaro abo kubasa kurete byo butegeki mu nshonga zabo ubwo miziga kusegara batwara cha person wa 1000 division Mrs. Makrine batware hamwe na deputy meya Mrs. Kedress Mutabazi bagize mu kitongole ca UNRA cetaga kuto mu fureje batakatandikire kuhandika amakuru gabantu
kandi twaza kuza ha site kabasi gachi mazima turuga hatwine solution yeji rainy season yabo bajure change because people Kogwe who is not going to build another house hata mizi gaza kujitegura it is unfair, so we are cooperating with you Mr. RDC to make sure that we get a solution of that drainage of abantu batakatandikire kutwarwa mizi tukashuba tuketa ngo abantu batirwa mizi
kandi no kubajerizo kugira ngo bakwirukirira amwe ni uko kuri kugezaho kugira ngo ni wabirukira warago kwasa rovinge kizibu konga ko RS1 ari kugamba urareba gutize a combined effort ya twenda kora koko kizibu twagira ki twachikontrolling abo kuba bo baraturaho baturebara amaboko amizi gagagenda yayereka ngo amizi gagarugaga kuri gara bo mu mufrejo guyagamba kandi bashaba niyo ndi kureba solution turi ko kujibona kugira ngo agomizi garaba ko kugagagira gachi ko kugagarabaga rero garaba ko kugagarabaga bo bina masiko garaba ko kugagarabaga amizi garagira ki garaba affecting kandi nyine okwami ngo bori hano odbo mujwecho gwa president ekindi chonde chorenda mu kikuko nicho kiragira ki niko kirapuka ikirungi engineer yango tukaza gukora consultation tutagararyaho kandi gakashuba gakashishira ki abandi. And the good thing twashobora twasimba kuba n'abayundura kongo bure tukashitamba nabo. I think you will take this message twamara nk'eshatu. Whatever we had agreed, we thought we would come with the report. Maybe I'm waiting for that report.
Tawonikira kawa Kabale ayimbisibwe Vincent uri roads inspector bwa Kabale municipality hamwe na Alex Bingana oguni tawonikira kawa Southern Division bagize ngone cyo gusasa kubaza kushanga abantu baratura haruguto gwa Kabale katuna bayimbeche mu mufureje ogora twara mizi.
You also need to adjust because like here Southern Division, I was here when they were constructing the road. I wrote 3 letters to Kowe. Tobin was the head of Kowe, the supervisor, complaining about this caravan and the water. I drove up to Wentobo. They refused to rectify the problem because the UNRA was not following up as the supervisor. So up to now, these are the problems we are getting right now. And yet, UNRA will come later and complain and even blame us that we do not become proactive. We are becoming reactive. So UNRA should also attend to the community complaints that are given to them. Because we write, they keep quiet. So, namazima ababantu mweshware office na remerwe. Atri romuntu wa bujwe na kora. Yes, thank you.
Ba engineers kuruga mu kitongole cha UNRA bebembigwe atuhire Shamim hamwe na Komuhanje Brenda bagizire ngo barikuza kuhandikira executive director wa UNRA bwe shongeje kandi ago kubanza byabi na mushanshu baze kureza RDC report.
Go straight to the document, the compensation document that you've been asking for. Before I came to this meeting, I spoke to manager who had been in that meeting that discussed the compensation document, and he told me that they were still trying to retrieve this document from wherever it is. They are yet to.
How long does it take? It's coming 2 months. My sister, it's coming 2 months.
Compensation is something which is covered at the start of the road. So those documents must be kept somewhere safely, which they need to retrieve, which are not kept here at our station. They are kept in Kampala.
You put it in writing. Put it in writing.
So they are retrieving, not that they are fake.
You put it in writing.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, you put it in writing.
They will say to better appreciate what we are.
No, we are going there actually from here, we're moving to the site.
I would like to be on site to have a permanent solution. But the permanent solution in this case, like you've been saying, would be to construct a drain that is leading to the stream that takes our water from where it is right now, leading to the stream. That would be the permanent solution. But given the limitation of the funds, as we all know, it might seem costly right now.
RDC wa Kabale, Mr. Godfrey Nyakahuma, aganda umunyamakuru witu, mubashaziremo kwitendongeri hamizi muri Mwanjali Business Center, iragarabya hakizimbe cha Karambuzi Complex, okushumifo umumaka g'abantu.
Twasharaho uti agamizi agabengeja side y'aba Karambuzi, ejo pipe ebatireho ebeneshuka mizi majuka abantu baza kujibroki. Amaizi abanaga kuga university gashumira ejo haruguraho then gashuke mu kirindi hati bagira ngo ababa UNRA banyana baza gukora report, baza kwandika ka report bakohereza mu UNRA wa executive director bakorena ka budget. Then by Monday, I'm briefing we have Kampala. Then Tuesday start kukora. Now we're going to where mukurimazi za ejo trench umufurije kutwara mizi tuza kuchukura. Now this pipe is going to be blocked. The one which has been pouring water into people's houses is going to be blocked. Because we have visited some homes about to collapse, people have lost property, and there's an old woman, actually, I understand, was rescued the other day. Water almost swept her.
Abgaruri Impact TV, ndibyamuka malibino omuri Kabale.